Welcome to the Adobe InDesign course. Kurt and I are so excited that you decided to enroll. InDesign is a great application for creating all kinds of graphics, in particular if you're creating multi-page projects like flyers or pamphlets or complete PDFs and eBooks. While I love using InDesign myself, I wanted to partner with someone who is a master at it to teach you the skills you need to get started. That's why I partnered with Kurt to teach this class.
Hello everyone and welcome to the course. I am Kurt Anderson, founder of the Adobe Masters YouTube channel, and I'm really excited to have you guys here. We're going to be covering a lot of material in this course. We're going to be starting off really simple, where we're going to be sort of jumping into just figuring out InDesign. After that, we're going to be moving into creating different documents. We're going to be going into creating a single page document, and then the next step is we're going to actually be jumping into multi-page documents. After that, we're going to be jumping into tables because they don't really fit into the other two aspects. So I want to cover them explicitly and show you how to, organize data really effectively. After that, we're going to be jumping into sort of some advanced techniques and tips, and these are just really going to cover sort of some of the tools that didn't fit into the other areas, and then some of the tips and techniques that I've learned over the years that might help you with your production. After that, we're going to be moving into how to export properly. It's going to be a shorter section, but there are some caveats and some sort of little nuances to how to export properly. And then finally, we're going to round it all off with a nice final project that's going to incorporate everything we've learned. I'm really excited to jump in and get started. So go ahead and move on to the next couple videos where we're going to be diving straight into InDesign, and I'm just going to be showing you around and getting you to create something really fast right off the bat.
With any class that we post, we know that when we launch it, it's not going to be perfect. There might be things that we missed or things that we covered too quickly, and we need feedback from you to make it even better. If you ever have questions or comments, feel free to post them to the course page itself or send Kurt or myself a message. Again, thank you so much for enrolling, and let's dive right into InDesign.